Good morning, we are live. We are doing 5 sun salutations, so please join me. Okay, so today we're going to do 5 energetic sun salutations. We're going to do 5 Sun Salutation B with a little bit of a leg lift, so you'll see what I'm talking about. So, we're going to come to the front of our mat, standing in mountain pose. We're going to come into a chair pose. So we're going to inhale, sitting down, sweeping arms overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Head comes to knees. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward. We're stepping back into plank. We can do full or knee plank. Lower down, low plank, chaturanga. Inhale, lifting the chest forward, coming up to upward dog. Exhale into downward facing dog. Inhale, step the right foot between the hands. The left heel drops down, front knee bent, lifting up into warrior one. Exhale, hands come down, frame the foot, step into plank. We're lowering again to low plank, also called chaturanga, lowering down. Inhale, lifting the chest forward, lifting up into an upward facing dog. Exhale into downward facing dog. So, we're going to step our left foot between our hands. The right heel comes down. Inhale, lifting both arms up into a warrior one. So the front knee is bent. The back leg is strong. Hands coming down again. Framing that foot, step into plank. We're lowering down, chaturanga. Inhale, lifting chest. We're going to lift up into an upward dog. Exhaling, coming into a downward dog. So normally we would stay here for 3 to 5 breaths, but we're just going to stay here for a moment. On your next inhale, looking forward, stepping both feet to the front of the mat. Come up to fingertips, look forward. Exhale, forward fold, hands come down. Inhale, sweeping hands into chair pose. And exhale back to center. So we're going to go a little bit quicker, and I'll tell you about the little leg lift in a moment. Now you can always choose between upward facing dog or cobra, which is just lifting up a little bit. So we don't need to do the full poses, just follow along. If this feels too quick, just try to keep moving. Inhale, sweeping into chair. Hands come up. Sitting down. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward. So hands can dangle. Stepping into plank. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, lifting up the right leg. Coming into an upward dog. So you can do that in cobra, lifting up the right leg. And then coming into down dog. Inhale, stepping the right foot between the hands. Left heel comes down, lifting up into warrior one. Exhale, hands come down, step into plank. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, lifting up. Upward dog, maybe lifting up the left leg. Exhale, coming into downward dog. So again, we're going to come into plank. Lift up the left leg. Now lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, coming to up dog, lifting up that left leg, and now coming into downward dog. Inhale, stepping left foot between hands, right heel comes down, reaching up into a warrior one. Virabhadrasana one. Exhale, hands come down, step back into plank, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, lifting up into a cobra or up dog. Exhale into down dog. Okay, inhale, lift both forward, take both feet to the front of the mat, come up to fingertips, lengthen spine, look forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sweep a chair. Exhale, back to center. So we're just starting a little bit by lifting up the leg in various parts of this sequence. Okay, inhale, sweeping into chair. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward. You can step or hop to plank if you'd like. Lower down. So before that, stop in plank, lifting up right leg, and now lowering down. Inhale, lifting into cobra or up dog. So we're lifting up that right leg. Try to lift it up a little bit, and then exhale into down dog. Inhale, take the right leg between the hands, left heel comes down, lifting up into warrior one. That back heel is really pushing strong into the mat. That back leg is strong. Exhale, hands come down. Step into plank. Lift up left leg, lower down, chaturanga. This can be done on the knee as well. Inhale, lifting into cobra or upward dog, lifting up that left leg. So feeling that in the glutes. Exhale into down dog. Stepping left foot through hands, right heel comes down, lifting up into warrior one. So that front knee is bent, it's not dipping in. That back foot is pushing onto the ground. Inhale, exhale, hands come down, frame the foot, step into plank, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, lifting the chest forward, coming into cobra or up dog. So we're really reaching forward with the chest, the tops of the feet on the mat. Exhaling, now turning toes under, down dog. Taking a breath here. You can always come to child's pose, because I know the Sun Salutation B is a little bit more dynamic, a little more planks. On your next inhale, looking forward, stepping both feet to the front of the mat, come up to fingertips. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sweeping into chair, so sitting the bottom down, reaching hands forward, lifting arms as high as feels comfortable. Coming back to center. 2 more times. Inhale, sweeping hands forward, lifting into chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, hands come down to the floor, head to knees. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward, so flat back, hands can be also in shins. Step or hop into plank. If you're hopping, just really gripping the fingertips, using the feet as shock absorbers, lifting up the right leg. You don't have to lift it. I'm just trying to vary it up a bit. So we're lifting up the right leg into plank. You can do that on your knee as well. And lower down, chaturanga. Still lifting that leg. Inhale, coming forward. Lifting into cobra or up dog. You can lift up that leg again. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, step. Right foot through the hands. Left heel comes down, rising up into warrior one, Virabhadrasana. So back foot is really strong. So feeling that back leg, feeling that left glute activated. Exhale, hands come down, step into plank. Lifting up, left leg, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, coming up into our cobra or up dog. Lifting that left leg. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, step left foot between hands, right heel comes down, rising up, warrior one. Keep making sure that knee doesn't rock in between, into the middle of the mat, trying to keep that knee over the ankle. All right, so we're going to come down, framing that foot, step into plank, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, reaching the chest forward, cobra or up dog. And exhaling, downward dog. Okay, so feeling our down dog. Bend the knees a little bit. Hands are firmly placed on the mat. Shake the head out. On your next inhale, looking forward, step or hop to the front of the mat. Come up to fingertips, lengthen spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sweeping into chair again. Exhale, come back to standing, to center. Okay, the final one. Inhale, sweeping into chair. Exhale, forward fold. Head comes down to knees. Inhale, come up halfway, look forward. And then stepping or hop back into plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Hugging the elbows to the side, even keeping the bottom up a little bit. Inhale, lifting the chest forward, lifting a cobra, tops of the feet on the ground, lifting up that right leg. Exhaling, into downward facing dog. Inhale, stepping right foot between hands, left heel comes down, rising up into warrior one, Virabhadrasana. Look at that front knee, make sure it's bent over the ankle, back leg engaged, tighten abdomen. Exhale, hands come down, frame the foot, step into plank. Lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, lifting chest forward into our upward facing dog, lifting up left leg. This is what we did in the second round. Exhaling, coming into downward dog. Inhale, stepping, left foot through the hands, right heel comes down, rising up. Warrior one. Strong legs pushing into the mat. Engaging our glutes, engaging our core. Exhale, hands come down, step into plank. And lower down, Chaturanga. Inhale, reaching chest forward, lifting into our upward dog or cobra. Really reaching forward to the chest. Exhaling, coming into our down dog. So just enjoying this last down dog. You can do many more of these on your own. You can pedal out the feet. Breathing. On your next inhale, look forward, step or hop to the hands. Come up to fingertips. Lengthen spine, look forward. Exhale, forward fold, head to knees. Inhale, sweeping into chair. And exhale, back to center. Okay, thanks so much for joining. So hopefully you feel a little bit invigorated doing 5 sun salutations, maybe with a little leg lift here and there, it is good for the glutes, lower back. And throughout the day, just want to remind everyone to stand up, move around at the desk, no matter what you're doing. If you have kids, making sure that you get them to move around at their desk, just to get, everyone's homeschooling, so just trying to, and everyone's working from home, just try to keep moving during the day. So standing up, moving the body around. So hopefully doing some yoga poses you have learned. So thank you very much.